Hi, I'm Mickey Chastain with the Knauf Academy. I want to take a few minutes to briefly discuss how much insulation you have in your attic. The Department of Energy estimates that approximately 90% of U.S. homes are under-insulated. Is your home one of them? You can find out by performing a simple insulation inspection. All you need to do is go into your attic and calculate the current level of insulation. The recommended level of insulation depends on where you live. As a general rule, if you live in the southern states, you should have a minimum of R38, which is between 13 and 14 inches of fiberglass loose fill insulation. If you live in the northern states, it should be between 16 and 18 inches, giving you R49 at a minimum. So grab a tape measure, climb in your attic, and see how much you have. If after measuring it, you find out your insulation doesn't measure up and you need more, it can be done as a weekend do-it-yourself project, or you can call a professional installer to handle the job. Either way, bringing your attic insulation up to the recommended levels is one of many ways to improve the energy efficiency of your home and save yourself some money on your heating and cooling costs. Talk to you again soon. I got some insulation to go measure.